Hey there, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna make 4 outfits with a matching blazer and shorts. If you're new here, my name is Mehrnificent and I would very much appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please drop a like for me. Thank you. So let's get started. So first let me show you the blazer and the shorts. So pretty much all the time I match these two together. But today I'm gonna try to make 4 different outfits, 2 with this one and 2 with this one. But first, let me show you how I style it together. So as you can see, it's a pretty classy look. So I'm not gonna introduce a lot of colors to my looks. I'm gonna pretty much stay with the nude colors and maybe a little blue or a little yellow. So let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna add a face bag, or I'm gonna tuck the blazer in, or I'll try both. So this is with a waist bag. I pretty much like it, and I think it's a pretty cool outfit. It's comfy, it's classy. But I'm gonna try tucking the blazer in to see what it looks like. I love it, but I think it needs accessories. So I'm gonna use sunglasses. Yep. It's really cool, casual, comfy, and of course my style. So, okay, let's go to the next one. So this is the second look space, and I'm gonna add the blazer and finished. I think black leather is always good with classy pieces like this blazer, right? Okay, let's go to the next look with this blazer. So for the next look, I was thinking what colors to use because I didn't want it to be all black or all nude, and I thought we can never go wrong with a blue pair of jeans. So let's add the blazer. I hope it works. So I'm not liking the shoes with this outfit, yeah? So I'm gonna change my shoes. I like these much better. I think the color is more in harmony with the whole look. Yeah? So this is the third look. Okay, let's go for the last one. But I think I'm gonna keep this on because I really like these two together. And this is the fourth one. I think I'm gonna add a bucket hat. Maybe this one or this one. I don't know. I think I like this one better. Yeah, this is better. So you see that you can get a lot of use out of each item. Even if they're set, you can always match them with other items in your wardrobe. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.